Additionally, the developers hinted that the mainnet launch or the move to the open network would happen when market conditions are conducive. This criterion has been met because most cryptocurrencies are in a strong rally and regulations are expected to be friendly under the Trump administration. Picoin price rally could continue. Picoin is an IOU that is not affiliated with the real project and is only listed in HTX. It is often seen as a proxy for the coin, which explains why its price has jumped in the past few weeks. On the daily chart, the Pi price jumped to $100 earlier this month after the developers confirmed that the mainnet launch was on the way. It then suffered a harsh reversal and dropped to $45 on November 12th. The coin has now bounced back and remains above the 50-day and 200-day exponential moving averages. It has also rallied above the ultimate resistance of the Murray Math lines. Pi network price. The average directional index, ADX, a popular measure of a trend's strength, has moved to above 60. Also, the relative strength shows that it has momentum. Therefore, the coin may soon jump to $100, which is about 25% above the current level. A move above that level will raise the probability of it rising to the year-to-date high of $121, 53% above the current level. On the flip side, a drop below the strong pivot reverse point at $62.5 will invalidate the bull run and raise the odds of it falling to $45. Don't forget to click subscribe, like, and share. We are welcome.